The Yamaha VMAX has long been the yardstick for muscle cruisers, raw, unapologetic, and instantly iconic. For 2025, Yamaha pushes the envelope further with the all-new VMAX V4. In a world clamoring for both power and sophistication, this is the return of a legend, more ruthless and tech-laden than ever. Engine and performance, V4 power unleashed. Under the sculpted fairing lies a brutal V4 engine. While Yamaha hasn't officially posted detailed specs, reports and speculation anticipate a displacement near 1,800 cubic centimeters, potentially delivering around 200 horsepower and a torque-rich performance. This setup echoes the raw, no-holds-barred character VMAX fans crave. Chassis, suspension and handling. The 2025 VMAX V4 doesn't just roar, it grips, corners, and delivers. Built on a lightweight aluminum frame, it's expected to feature fully adjustable suspension, probably inverted forks up front and a refined monoshock or link rear, to tame the powerhouse it houses. Tech and electronics. Muscle meets intelligence. Yamaha's returning powerhouse won't be muscled-up analog anymore, it's smart, too. Anticipate an integrated ride-by-wire system, multiple riding modes, traction control, and ABS, controlled through a full-color TFT display with connectivity options for navigation and phone integration. Design and aesthetics, evolution with attitude. The new VMAX remains unmistakably Yamaha, bold, muscular, and commanding double takes. Think aggressive lines, LED lighting, and a modernized stance true to its heritage yet refreshed for 2025. The possibility of adaptive aerodynamic elements, updated bodywork, and pronounced air intakes bring modern flair to this classic silhouette. Riding experience and ergonomics. The VMAX has always been about the visceral experience, and the 2025 model is shaping up to deliver that with refinement. Expect a riding posture that balances comfort and control, improved seat ergonomics, and reduced fatigue over those powerful long rides, until you reach that next gas station. Market position and expectations. Yamaha's VMAX V4 is wisely being positioned in the high-end power cruiser segment, alongside bikes like the Ducati Diavel and Triumph Rocket 3. Price speculation places it in a premium bracket, rumored at $25,000 to $30,000. That reflects its status. A top-tier blend of heritage, performance, and tech. Final thoughts, a new era for a legend. The 2025 Yamaha VMAX V4 isn't just a comeback, it's a redefinition. With an aggressive V4 muscle, advanced electronics, modern design, and Yamaha's unmistakable character, this is the next generation of muscle cruiser. Loyalists and newcomers alike have reason to be excited. In the 2025 landscape of high-tech hyperbikes and electric steeds, the enduring power of the VMAX stands tall.